Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, first of all, I would like to welcome you on my YouTube channel. It's been a while that I have created videos. Due to some family emergency, I was quite inactive on YouTube as well as on trading as well. Okay, because there were certain other things that I need to take care of, important things. Okay, so I'm starting again, and let's review two expert advisors that we will be showing today. One is Smart Gold Scalper that we have already used last year, and that has provided tremendous results, and it is one of the most accepted and most wanted expert advisors within our community. Okay, so but we are not using the same settings. Actually, that setting was very profitable, and this time we tried that let's go to a setting like uh, where there are more pip difference, and it will still be a scalper, but let's make some more profits with the pip difference. Okay, so this is a different setting. Actually, we have created a couple of other settings as well, but we can try one by one. Okay, and still I have to rent a new VPS to deploy a couple of expert advisors that we have been working on, and we have worked already just to test them. And there are other things. So let's start with Smart Gold Scalper. The it is a scalping expert advisor that used to monetize gold movements. In this particular setting, we tried that. Let's see like how if we increase the pip size, pip difference, and various other settings, and see like if we can get some better profitability per rate, right? Because in the previous setting that we have used, that was very profitable, and actually it used to trade a lot of in a week or maybe in a month, like it used to take more than 50,000 trades, 50 to 70,000 trades. In just 4 months it has taken around 200k or maybe more than trades, right? So we would like to minimize that as well. So that's why we are using this setting, and there are a couple of other settings that we have created, and that we will be deploying it very soon, and we will see like which setting is working best. However, this setting is also good, pretty good. So let's start from here. The minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 50k. However, we recommend 100k. Okay, cents actually. Okay, standard will not work because I mean hardly would there would be very like very few people like who would be able to afford more than 1,000 US dollar, right? So it's better to convert it into US cents, get a good broker, and you can trade it with this expert advisor. So let's start it. We started it on last week, I guess 6th. I think like it was Tuesday, or I think it was Wednesday or Thursday last week. So it's almost a week because weekend is also there. So if you can see in between, we got good profit, like in terms of the trades, like zero point 0.01 lot size, good profit, right? Right. In the earlier, we were using like very small profit, like 50 cents, $1 or something like that. This time we change the lot size and see like what difference it will make. So in this case, obviously, it will not close the trades very soon, but yes, whatever it will close, that would be a better. I mean, in terms of per trade, it would be a better return. Okay, so we made just 4430.95 in 1 week, and I just want to assure you, like within this, like the drawdown has not went beyond 1,500 to 2,000, I guess. Even I have not noticed, but like whatever I have noticed, I'm just telling you. So the drawdown has not gone more than 2,000 or 2,500 so far. So in terms of drawdown, it seems very good. However, we still need to check in few more weeks just to see what is the ratio of profitability as well as the risk. Okay, so if it would have been the previous setting, then we would have made, I mean, a lot of money. It is a demo account, I'm just telling you. Okay, because even we would like to deploy any expert advisor on a demo account after, just to check like whatever settings we have created, is it working accordingly to what we see or what we have created or not. So once things are on track, and the same thing we would like we say to everyone like who used like who are using our expert advisor to trade on demo account for few days and few weeks. So this is a gold scalper. However, it used to take counter trades. Also, you can see there are few sell trades and few buy trades as well. Okay, and minimum requirement I have already told you. These are the running trades right now. You can see the movement, right? You can see the movement. We deployed it on 6th, right? So you can see like from 5th onwards, the see the movements. This expert advisor was able to sustain. Okay, so I would not like to be strict on the figure that I said that the maximum drawdown I saw is 2000 or 2500. Okay, so let's see like if even if would be 5000, and then also it's good because see the kind of movements, it's all done. Okay, so we made around 4.45 profit in, in a week or maybe 1 or 2 days more. Okay, so this is all about Smart Gold Scalper for MetaTrader 5, MT5. So I'm including like two videos in one. I would not like to create a separate video for this. Okay, so this is a new expert advisor, that is Trending Hedge Gold Expert Advisor, which uses hedging strategy as the name suggests. Okay, so we deployed this bot on 11th of May, that is Monday this week. Okay, but what setting we are using right now, that is the setting that we deployed it on 13th. Okay, so earlier we were just checking like whatever the setting that we have created is working or not. So and also there are few expert advisors that we worked in the past, and we just wanted to check whether based on the platform, I mean the recent development in the platform of MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, whether the expert advisors are still working or not. Okay, so let's start from here. Here we started. The minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is again 50 to 60k cents, and 100k is always better. Okay, so whatever like trading like that you see right now, that is on the setting that we have created, like just to check whether the expert advisor is working or not. Okay, we are not using this particular setting for trading today. So with this setting, our account was down by 2 to 3%. So like from 100k, like it went around 96,500 or 96,200, say 3 to 4% down. Okay, in 2 to 3 days from 11 to 13, the setting that we were using earlier, we have created multiple settings. So the first setting just we try, and then we realize that this setting, I think like we have some better settings also. Okay, so and also ignore this the Germany 40 index, because this was just to check an other expert advisor that whether that expert advisor is working or not, and whether if that expert advisor is like this particular instrument, that is this index, is also working with that expert advisor or not. Not about profitability, we have not created the setting set for that particular expert advisor, but this was just to check whether it is working on new MetaTrader 5 or not. Okay, so please ignore this German 40 index also, because even that has not created any difference. That was not a big loss or not a big profit. Okay, so that was just to check whether that EA is working or not. The main game starts on 13th of on the evening of 13th of May. Okay, just after 2 days when we started this particular account, on 13th of May in the evening itself, when the US market started, we deployed the other setting of Trending Hedge Gold on this particular account when the account was already down from 100k to 96 or 97k, 96,500, I guess, like 3,500 we were down. So on 13th, like till now we have not deployed that particular expert advisor, and later on in the evening we removed this the other expert advisors and let that particular expert advisor run. Please ignore the external voice in case. Okay, so now onwards we are using the setting that I'm talking about from 13th of May evening, and today is 15th of May afternoon. It's not even 2 days. I think this Germany 40 I removed later. I don't remember it exactly. Like later on, I realized that okay, this expert advisor is working, but we wanted to just to check and to trade with only with Trending Hedge Gold Expert Advisor. That's why we removed it later. So these trades are more than gold, right? Okay, but yes, that particular gold setting that we have already installed it on 13th of May evening, and that is working along with, I think now we have uninstalled that particular expert advisor for that particular index. Oh no, it's still there, but that is not profitable actually, because we have not created the setting. We were just checking like whether the EA is working on this or not. We need to modify some settings and also the lot sizes and all. So that is just for the sake of whether it is working or not. The main play was done by the second setting that we deployed. Oh, now I realize that even on 14th I didn't remove this German 40 index. But yes, I'm sure that this is the setting that we are using for the gold that we installed it on 13th evening or maybe 14th morning. I don't remember. This is a demo account, of course. Like as I mentioned earlier, we cannot deploy real money until we check and be confident that whether this setting is working perfectly or not. Okay. So far, now I'm sure that we have removed that particular setting. 13th evening or 14th morning. That particular expert advisor, we were deploying it on Germany 40 index. And also, like there was one expert advisor, we were deploying it on Euro. Those two expert advisors were different. Okay, so but this expert advisor focusing on trending hedge gold on gold itself. Okay, we are only interested in showing you the result of trending hedge gold, right? So today is 15th, and it is afternoon here. Okay, so as you can see, like with a deposit of 100K, when the account went up to 96,500, we deployed this second setting on 13th of May in the evening, and there is no other participant who contributed to this profit, right? Okay, other participant, like where I was talking about Germany 40, the expert advisor, that were not counted in profit because there was no profit, or might be there would be a little loss because that particular setting uh, was not to see like whether the expert advisor is profitable or not, just to check whether the MetaTrader 5 on that particular expert advisor is working or not. Okay, so just in 2 days, it is a profit of 54,741 on a deposit of 100K. Okay, and see like how this expert advisors work. Let me just pause the video, not pause the video, let me continue the video for another 1 or 2 minutes, and at the same time I would not like the video to be very longer. So in case if you have any query about this expert advisor, Trending Hedge Gold or Smart Gold Scalper, you can contact me on email or on Telegram. My Telegram handle is dpntfx, and I have mentioned that in the video description also. And I would appreciate if you can just check all the other videos that I have created on different expert advisor, and so you know that what kind of expert advisor videos or expert advisor that we have already worked in the past, and we are still working on them, and we will be making it better. And also I'm working on various other expert advisors that I will be deploy it on VPS again once like maybe from next week, and maybe by next week or later you will be able to find more videos of different expert advisors and see how profitable those are. Okay, so this is how it works. I'm just trying to wait for a little more so you understand that how the EA works. You might be wondering like why the EA is not closing the buy trade, which is a good profit. So this is all about EA. You cannot cash every action over the top and bottom of everything, right? Sometimes it is very important to check like in which direction the market is going for. So this is one of the settings. We have created a couple of other settings also, but this setting is looking very promising as well. Okay. So this last trade has given how much? Not sure. You can see. Okay. So this is how this works: quick enter and quick exit. And to my surprise, actually, with this setting and with this kind of profit, uh, I still need to deploy it on my FX book, but let it run for a few days. But I haven't seen that the drawdown has moved more than like 2% or maybe 3%, right? It could be 5% also, but what I observed, like when I saw the EA is running out, that I haven't seen like increasing more than 3%, or it could have gone by 5%. In case if it has gone above that, then I don't know, or maybe I haven't seen. But yes, so far, even in this kind of market with this kind of movement, the drawdown has not increased much. Okay, so this is all about trading hedge gold, and I have already shown you the result and about the video on our expert advisor, that is Smart Gold Scalper. Okay, so if you have any query, feel free to contact me, and we will connect further with new videos on different kind of expert advisors. And let me continue this expert advisor, and let's go for more. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please view all the other expert advisors videos that we have created in the past. And you can connect with me on email or Telegram, and would love to connect with you. And if you have any query, I would be happy to help. Thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.